all, my name is Vaishnavi. I am studying 10th standard at PMC ZPHS Ganneruvaram. Today I am going to conduct a lab activity about observing the types of images and measuring the object distance and image distance by using concave mirror. What is the material required for this experiment? Material requires a V-stand, concave mirror, screen, matchbox, candle and measuring tape. Already we measured the focal length of concave mirror is 28 centimeters. Now look at here. We take a concave mirror and place it on V-stand and light the candle. And light a candle. Already we know the focal point F and center of curvature C along with the principal axis. If we keep the candle beyond the C, where could we get image? Let me keep the candle beyond the C and adjust the screen. The image formed between F and C. What are the characteristics of this image? If we keep the candle on C and adjust the screen to get sharp and clear image, where could we get image?
On the C.
Akshita, what are the characteristics of this image?
Real, inverted, semi-circular.
If we keep the candle between F and C and adjust the screen, where could we get image?
Beyond C.
What are the characteristics of this image, Akshita?
Inverted, real, enlarged.
If we keep the candle on F, where could we get image? If we keep the candle in between C and F, image formed inside of the mirror. What are the characteristics of this image, Srija?
Flexual, erected, enlarged.
Did you understand this experiment?
Yes.
Thank you to all.
Ah.